Hi, my name is Paul from SEAT Ventilation. Since 1968, SEAT Ventilation has consistently prioritized safety, quality, and innovation. Presently, we have emerged as the global frontrunner in providing extraction system solutions for corrosive air and gas. Our products have gained widespread recognition for their reliability, capabilities, exceptional design, and distinctive features. With installations worldwide in more than 100 countries, we combine French engineering expertise with a strong international presence. Driven by our culture of innovation, we have developed high-performance polymer fans. They never rust, they resist 98% of chemicals, they are lightweight, UV resistant, can take up to 60 degrees and are anti-shock. Our ATEX certified solutions are designed with absolute technical precision to meet global industrial challenges. Combine technical expertise and sustainable performance for your projects. Visit seatventilation.com to discover our full range.